Well, third air conditioner I fixed this week. Thank God I do AC units too, either packaged units on the roof. But I'm on a job pulling fibers. Air conditioning doesn't work anymore. The AC guy said it's above him. First thing I gotta do, check my step down transformer. Make sure I got 24 volts coming out. Load 24. I got 28 volts, that's perfect. Check the primary side. I should have 208. 208. Perfect. Check my fuse for the control board. Looks good. Don't go by looks. Good. Check my relay. Actually, this is a thermostat. This is this wire. Where am I coming? Leg hanging. Where are you going? Oh, that's uncoupled. Gotta go on the roof. Okay, back on this air conditioning unit, turn on my light. Had to look around a little bit. Here again, here's my 220 or 208 volt, step down to 24 volts right here. That runs all your thermostat and your contactor. This is the fuse right here, normally blows. And here's your fan relay right here that runs the fan right here. Before I can even get in there, I checked on my voltage. I got 24 volts. I got 208 volts coming in. Everything's just fine. Basically, before I can go anywhere, this unit is standing upright. So here's your fins, everything's nice and clean in here. So what normally goes bad in these units is basically, I'm gonna come down here. Here's your tray for your condensation to come out here. See it right there? So basically what's happening here is the water is actually missing the condensation drain right here and filling up this pan right here. Now, this is a safety switch right here that even in your house, normally they, by code, at least in South Florida or in my territory, you have to have one of these safety float switches up here, and they also put one in the drain pan. This drain pan is specifically to keep it from coming outside or running down inside the wall. If perhaps this one overflowed right here, this one would catch it too. But basically what's going on here, as soon as I push down on this switch, the AC will start up. Rather than do that, I'm going to take it off. We're going to drain this somehow. Come on now. Now, without touching anything, without going up and checking the contactor, this thing should start right up. See right there? So I'm going to leave that like that. Get it running, getting cold in here. I'm going to have to get this water out of here. And we can have a happy day. All right, this is the drain line right here. It looks like it's a reducer going to, looks like a 3-inch pipe right there going downstairs, but it's clogged. I've got to put bleach in here. Here's the drain line again, not glued. Let's see. Look, clogged. It's all clogged. Everything is all clogged. This is slime that was stuck in an air conditioning unit. This keeps it from draining, and as a result, float overflows. Look at that. I'd suck that out of there. See that garbage coming out of there? That would, an AC guy would charge $1,200 bucks. It's ridiculous. Now I'm gonna have to suck all that water out. That's in an air conditioning unit. This is why it's shut off. None of the air conditioning units here are being maintained properly.